Hi guys, hope you're all safe. If like me you're getting a bit bored, you know, watching the government daily briefings as they obfuscate and don't answer the question or blame someone else, mention the term ramping up, I've found a really fun way to try and get through all that provocations and say them being disingenuous. Will we put that politely? So what I've done, I've made a bingo game. Welcome to Daily Briefing Bingo. Yeah. Can you tell that I made it at home? Every time you hear them say, I don't know, the word ramping up, meaningless phrase, then you just do this. You do this and you have a little sip. Every time they try to blame somebody else, it's really simple. You take a little sip. Every time they talk about testing capacity to try and hide the fact that there hasn't been that many tests that day and they don't really admit it. When they don't really answer the question, but answer a question that hasn't actually been asked. As I say, guys, it's just a bit of fun. We've got to get it through. It's very irritating when people constantly treat you like an idiot and start bullshitting you and you're meant to go, oh, yeah, that's really what's happened. So, I mean, what can we do? We're powerless at the moment, so we can bitch about it on Twitter. I think the best thing is just to get slowly pissed. There you go. That's all the alcohol I've got. Because if you want to watch the whole briefing, you might drink a lot. And you know you've probably had too much when you start believing what they're saying is true. So that, if that happens, I mean, just stop immediately. You know, you can have too much fun. Obviously, I've got some quite expensive champagne at the back. That will only come out when it's a really massive whopper where you think, God, even as a Tory minister, I mean, really, I mean, you've got to be quite tough because obviously, you know, you could drink that probably at every briefing. So that's like a really special occasion. But the rest of it, I mean, I think that will see me through, at least for today's briefing. So as I say, if you start, you know you've gone too far when you start believing what they're saying is actually true. So once you hit that point, stop playing the game. It's just a bit of fun after all. We'll see what happens. Good luck.